First phase of Lok Sabha's polls for 2 parliamentary seats of Manipur ended with a 68.62% voter turnout till 5 p.m. While the voting was largely peaceful amid heavy security measures, at least one civilian was injured after gunmen opened fire at a polling station in Kurai in Imphal East district, and EVMs were dismantled in some of the polling stations, particularly in Imphal. Voting was relatively peaceful in the hill districts. Voting was held across 32 assembly segments of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency and 15 assembly segments on 2 Outer Manipur ST parliamentary constituency in a total of 2,107 polling stations. In Inner Parliamentary constituency, voter turnout was recorded at 72.32% and 61.98% in Outer constituency till 5 p.m. Wangkem constituency in Thoubal district recorded the highest voter turnout with 82.41%, followed by Hangang constituency, which is home polling of Chief Minister N. Biren, registering 80%. Uripur constituency in Imphal West district recorded the lowest voter turnout with just 56.26%. Notably, voting was held amid the calls for abstaining to participate in the elections by several civil bodies in valley districts until the present crisis gripping the state is resolved. A total of 6 candidates are in fray for the Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency, while 4 candidates is contesting for the Outer Manipur Scheduled Tribe parliamentary constituency. Altogether, 645 polling stations was completely managed by all women polling personnel. 2 polling stations is exclusively managed by all people with disabilities (PWD) polling personnel. In addition, 85 special polling stations have been set up for internally displaced voters in Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Kokching, Churachandpur and Kangpokpi districts. A total of 18,091 internally displaced voters were eligible to exercise their franchise. Over 8,000 polling personnel are being deployed.